Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll tell you how to import a CSV file into your Python program. So in one of my previous videos, I've already explained you how to import your CSV file from Google Excel. So in this video, we will use our Microsoft Excel. We will make a CSV file and we will import it in our program. So the first thing which we are going to do is, let me make a CSV file first. So our CSV file, suppose I'm making a Excel sheet over here. So this is so suppose this is my CSV file. That is, this is my Excel which I'm going to convert into CSV file. Then I'm going to import it. So first, let me convert it into a CSV file format. So I'm going for Save As, and I'm going to browse. So I've already created one folder named YouTube on my desktop. I'm going to save this particular CSV file in that folder only. Okay. So this is my folder YouTube. This is on desktop. I'm going to save the CSV file in that folder only. So let me put the name as book, and here in the save as type, instead of Excel workbook, I'm going to choose the option CSV. This option, as you can see, comma delimited. This option I'm going to select, and now I'm going to save this in that particular folder which is there on desktop. So now my CSV file has been saved. Now I'm going to my program and I'm going to trying to import that thing. Okay, so first let me write the statement. df is equal to dd dot read underscore CSV. I'll give the brackets. Now in the brackets, I'm going to enter the location. So, so this is my desktop, and this was the particular YouTube folder which I was talking about, where I've saved my CSV file. This is that CSV file. Now I have to enter the location of the CSV file. So first, I will save this code. Now this is my code in which I'm going to add that CSV. I'll save this code by pressing Ctrl S in that same particular folder named YouTube where I saved my CSV file. So when you do this, you won't have any problem in importing your CSV file. Otherwise, it may give an error. So this is that particular folder. I'm going to open it, and let me put the name as, let me save my program as anjali.py. Okay, so any Python program which you are going to save, you have to save it with .py extension. Don't forget that. So I'm going to save in that folder my program. So as you can see, my program has been saved in that folder with the name Anjali. Now I want to enter the location of this particular CSV file. So as you can see this place over here, I'm just going to click over here. I have got the location over here. Okay, so I just clicked one time over there and I got the location. I'm just going to copy this, and in this brackets, I'm going to put that location. So I've got the location till my folder, YouTube folder. Now I have to enter the name of that particular CSV file also. So I'm going to put again 2 slashes, and I'm going to enter the name of my CSV file. Now my name of CSV file was book. Okay. So book was the name of the CSV file. Then in the last, I'm going to put .csv. Now one more thing which you have to do here is, you have got 1 slashes at all the places. You have to make it 2 slashes. So as soon as you copy paste the locations, you have to convert that 1 slash to 2 slashes. Okay. So here we have got the location of a particular CSV. Don't forget to enter the name of your CSV. Now after this, I'm going to give my print statement, print df. That is my particular CSV. Now I'm going to run my program. So as you can see, the CSV which we had saved, this was our CSV. The same locations have been printed here in a Python program. So that is how you can import your CSV from your Microsoft Excel into a Python program. So if you have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section below. So thank you for watching, and meet you in my next video.